Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to lock an item in Merge Gardens. In Merge Gardens, sometimes you want to protect your valuable items from being accidentally merged or moved. That's where the lock feature comes in handy. First of all, launch the Merge Garden app on your device and log into your account. On your main garden screen, go ahead and scroll through your garden to find the item you want to protect. Select the item and at the bottom of the screen, click on the lock icon. Soon after you do that, the item will be locked in your garden. The item will now be indicated as a padlock icon, indicating it is protected. Try to move or merge the item and you will not be able to do it. To unlock the item, you can go ahead and select it and tap on the unlock button at the bottom, and that should help you unlock your item back again in your garden. That's how you lock an item in Merge Gardens, which is a simple way to keep your rare and important items safe while merging the rest of your gardens. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.